Most complex electronic appliances these days use integrated circuits. Often these are referred to as ICs or simply microchips. The 555 timer has 8 prongs. Each prong has a specific purpose. The notch on the left hand side of the 555 timer faces forward and the circle impressed indicates prong 1. This is how to insert a 555 timer into a protoboard, most commonly known as a breadboard. Place the IC on the surface of the protoboard and apply pressure. If much resistance is felt, do not force it. This is the reposition the chip and try again for the 555 timer. 6 volts and ground can easily be swapped with a 9 volt battery. Now for the first step. An assortment of jumper wires is ideal but not necessary. You must connect prong 4 and prong 8. A white wire is used because it is the correct length. For the next step, you must connect prongs 2 and 6. For the next step, you should connect prongs 2 and 5. It should look like this so far. This next step requires a 4K7 ohm resistor. The color code is yellow, violet, red, gold. Connect pin 7 to the live terminal on your protoboard using the resistor. The next step is to use a 10K resistor, color coded brown, black, orange, to connect pin 6 and 7. Next step, connect pin 8 to the live wire. Now connect pin 1 to the negative terminal. From now on it gets harder. You need a 10 millifarads capacitor. To insert the capacitor, you must put the positive end in pin 1 and the negative end in pin 2. For the LED, you may use any colour you like. Notice on the LED there is one short prong and one large prong. The short prong indicates the negative, the long prong indicates the positive. You must put the positive prong in an empty space and the negative prong into prong 3 on the 555 timer. You will now need one final resistor. This is a 1K resistor with a colour code brown, black, red, gold. You now connect the positive end of the LED to the positive terminal using the resistor. Finally, connect your battery and you're ready to go. Your LED should flash like this. By changing the value of your capacitor, you can change the amount of flashes per second or per minute. If your LED doesn't flash, check your wiring. A common mistake is the capacitor to be placed in the wrong way. Remember, the positive end of the capacitor should be in pin 1 and the negative end in pin 2. Mistakes are often made with the LED. Remember, the positive end goes in an empty hole and the negative end goes in pin 3.